Nestled along South Africa's stunning garden route, where lush forests, pristine coastlines and rolling hills create a breathtaking backdrop, lies a workshop where creativity and craftsmanship create lasting impressions. The garden route isn't just a scenic destination, it's a place where nature inspires artistry and innovation. Welcome to Signarama Garden Route. Here, every sign has a story. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by a dedicated team passionate about bringing ideas to life. In 2022, Signarama Garden Route faced a challenge. Ranked last among Signarama franchises in South Africa, we knew change was necessary, so we rolled up our sleeves and got to work. It wasn't just about making signs, it was about embracing a culture of innovation, creativity and teamwork. Once the designs are perfected, it's time to bring them to life. Our printing process is all about precision and creativity. From bold storefront signs to detailed decals, every print is made with care and quality. But printing is only the beginning. The real magic happens in the workshop. In our workshop, raw materials are transformed into stunning visual statements. Precision cutting, careful assembly, and the skill of our craftsmen turn each project into a masterpiece. This evolution wouldn't have been possible without the tools that power our precision. That's where Hornet Solutions comes in.
Welcome to Hornet Solutions. At the heart of our precision work lies cutting-edge CNC technology. These machines have transformed how we approach sign making, bringing speed, accuracy, and efficiency to every project. With advanced automation features, our CNC routers handle complex designs with ease, cutting, carving, and shaping materials with absolute precision. Automatic tool changes streamline the process, reducing downtime and ensuring seamless transitions between tasks. Whether working with wood, acrylic, aluminium, or composite panels, CNC routers bring designs to life with speed and accuracy. From intricate lettering and 3D relief carvings to large format sign panels and custom fabrication, these machines offer limitless possibilities. They are essential for industries ranging from signage and woodworking to prototyping and industrial manufacturing, making production faster, more efficient, and highly customizable. But precision cutting is just one part of the process. Fabricating channel letters has never been easier, thanks to our HS 1200 channel letter bender. This machine streamlines the bending process, delivering over 100% more efficiency, allowing us to create complex signage faster and with perfect consistency. Together, these machines have allowed us to push the boundaries of what we can create, delivering intricate designs, faster production, and unmatched precision that sets our work apart.
Today, Signarama Garden Route stands proudly in 5th place nationwide. A remarkable transformation powered by dedication, innovation, and the precision of Hornet solutions. From last to 5th place and climbing, this is more than a workshop. This is a story of passion, technology, innovation, and teamwork.